Did you know there was a woman who survived being struck by lightning? Not once, not twice, but 7 different times. Her name was Melvin Roberts. She worked outdoors most of her life, and for some reason the storms kept finding her. The first strike knocked her unconscious. The second burned her skin. By the third, doctors began calling her cursed. She was struck while driving her car, while hanging laundry, even while standing in her own backyard. Each time she lived, but the lightning left scars, burns, and a body that never fully healed. 7 times nature tried to kill her. 7 times it failed. Some called her the luckiest woman alive. Others said she was chosen, but she swore she could feel storms coming long before the clouds ever formed.